Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow Steam download speed using a few simple settings inside Steam and Windows. You don't need any extra apps, just follow along carefully. First, open your Steam app. At the top left corner, click on Steam, then select Settings. On the left side of the window, click Downloads. This is where all the main speed controls are. The first thing you want to check is your download region. Sometimes your default server might be overloaded, which slows down downloads. Click the drop-down and pick another region or city close to your location. Once you've selected it, click OK and restart Steam so the changes take effect. Next, look for Limit Download Speed under Download Restrictions. If you want Steam to use your full internet speed, make sure that box is unchecked. But if you'd like to control your speed manually, you can check it and enter the exact kilobytes per second you want. For most people though, leaving it unchecked gives the best performance. Right below that, you'll see Throttle Downloads while streaming. Uncheck that option too. This setting automatically slows your download speed whenever you're watching videos or live streams, so disabling it keeps your download running at full power. Now scroll down and click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will close and restart automatically, that's normal. After you log back in, your download should refresh and run much smoother. Next, we'll make one quick change in Windows. Open your search settings, then type Delivery Optimization and click on it when it appears. Inside that menu, turn off the option that says Allow Downloads from Other PCs. This stops Windows from sharing your bandwidth with other devices, giving Steam your full internet speed. Before you start downloading again, it's also a good idea to close any apps using your internet. Things like YouTube, other game launchers, or cloud backups can slow things down in the background. And that's it! Once you've made these changes, restart Steam, and you'll notice your download speed jump right back to normal. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Steam tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.